Hello everybody. Am I live? I think I am live. So we have okay. Alright. Hi Tiffany, hi Cody. I am outside. As you can, my connection might be let me actually move closer to the Wi-Fi area. Alright, come on everybody, come here, come here. Come here. Hi Jazzy. Hi Jazz. This is Mama of the fall litter, the sables. This one, that one, and one over there. And then all the tries, the black pups, they are from Tia and Latte. Hi Lisa. They are surely growing fast. So this is the second time of them being outside, and the tries are trying to eat off Jazz. Run, Jazzy, run! They are like being puppies now. They love running around and playing. And Jazzy, go home. Go home, so they don't bother you. Go, Jazz, go. Go inside. Hi, little one. Hi. They are very, very cute. Hello, everybody. Can you put Jazz in? Because the tries are trying to eat off her. Yeah, here's Skittles, by the way. Skittles is still available. If anybody is interested in the black-headed tri Corgi pup, Skittles is available. If you know someone who wants a Corgi or likes Corgis, let them know about us. KitKat, stop eating grass. And then the chickens, they're being like hawks, but the pups were actually kind of hurting them a little bit. Well, they surely like you. There we go. You heard her. That's right. You get them. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're a lot of fun right now. Hey, don't eat lint. Alright folks, if you don't know about us, we are in Houston area. We are LeMitri's, and we have lots of Corgis. This video will also go on our YouTube channel, which I am trying to grow for folks who don't have like Facebook or well, really Facebook, because we can do live stream on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube later. Oh my goodness, you're eating me. You're eating me. Come here. Come here. Oh, we have a helicopter. I hope the connection is good enough. I'm trying to make sure that we can do these live streams from the outside, but you know, it's the outside. KitKat, come here. Hi. Oh my goodness. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, they got their big teeth, or just puppy teeth. Yeah, the They have... Come here! Come here, little one. I think that's Starburst. Starburst, come here. Come here. MilkyWay. Come here, MilkyWay. Hi, Starburst. Come here. Let's see your teeth. Let's see your teeth. Where's your teeth? Oh. Let's see. Where's your big teeth? Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. No? Oh. Skittles. Hey, Rachel. Hi, Maria. Ooh. Okay, go. Go, run free. Be free. Be free. Hey. Don't chew on it. Yeah, they left chewing on... Hi, Kiki. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Goodness gracious. Oh, there's KitKat right there. Ooh. And we have a T-Rex fight. Skittles versus Spice. You tell him, Skittles. Yeah, so this is Spice. That is Pumpkin. And that is Latte. They are a week older, and we have pups herding chickens already. Go herd them. Go. Go. That's MilkyWay, right? Over there. Alright, Tiltons. You better get some chickens for herding. Think it's MilkyWay is Tiltons, right? Yeah. Is that Snickers? Go chickens, go. Uh-oh. Run. Hello, chicken. What is it? What is it, little one? Yeah, they're a week younger than the tri-litter, the candy litter, but they are pretty much the same size. But it's only 3 of them. Oh, hi, Skittles. She's so cute. Oh my goodness. Snickers versus... Is that Snickers? Yeah, I think so. Snickers over here. Then it's Twix. Yeah. Twix versus Spice. Ugh. Hey, that's not a drumstick. Don't chew on your cousin. See all those teeth, big and scary teeth. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you trying to uncover? Huh? Hello.
That's right, Twix. Check your brother.
Go, Twix, go. Hi, Julie. How's Grady? Yeah, the love hair. Our Starburst.
Get him, Twix.
Get him, Twixie. Herd. Herd. Hi, Skittles. Hi. Hi, Snickers. Hi, buddy. Oh, we got some herding going on. Get him, KitKat. Get him, KitKat. Get him. Get him. Hi. Give me a high five. High five? No? Low five? No, just chewing. Ow. 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 Go chew on your brother or something. Oh my goodness. We got a T-Rex fight. You tell him. And there, in the back, right there, back and forth, that's Latte. That's dad of the tries. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey. It's not a drumstick. How's Ollie? How's Weenie? KitKat got one of the chickens. Come on. Run. 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 Is that Belle or Silly? Hey! Be quiet. Hi, Sherry. Little waddles. Wunk, wunk, wunk. How's the quality, by the way? Let me know, folks. I got this new device thingy in hopes that it's gonna make it better. You tell me if it actually is better or not. Just put it in the comments. Wait, wait, wait. Let's see, where is Cassie? There it is, there's her booty right there. Come here. Come here. There she is. Come here. Hi. Hi, little one.
Run, Twix, run.
Oh,
You can.
let's see.
Run away.
Oh, here's Cassie. Oh, there she is. Huh. We got a little ghost stealer right there. Well, anyway, here's Cassie. Or MilkyWay, who will become Casper. Hi, little one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, all the scratches. Run, little one, run. Uh-oh. Have a ghost stealer again. Is that Twix? Twix, come here. Come here, Twixie. Come here, Twixie. Wee, with their Starburst. Starburst, Pumpkin, and MilkyWay, or Cassie. Chickens, go! Go, chickens! Before we get eaten. Ooh, what is it? You wanna hurt too? You wanna hurt too? Well, you're hurting Skittles. Two against one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is one more? There is one more. Starburst! Come here. Want to go help herd chickens? Yeah, our adult dogs, Belle and Pokey, they love herding. We kind of trained them a little bit too, so Pokey can actually herd them all in. Belle, kinda, sometimes. Uh-oh. Little fruit fly got stolen. Come here. A little butt sticking out. Let's see. Let's see, I'm gonna try to move closer and I might have some interruptions. Let's see. Well, let's see. Hopefully it's gonna switch to this new Wi-Fi thing. KitKat, where are you going? Oh, we got a fruit fly. Oh no, another leg. Low network connection. Can?
Like right there.
Well, I think I didn't switch. So I need to try that. But I'm not sure how to do it without dropping off the live stream. Hi, Cassie. Hello. Simba. Come here, everybody. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Hi there. Don't chew your own foot. I'm still on the different Wi-Fi, so it keeps interrupting. How's the quality?
It's good, but yeah, it's still.
Oh my goodness. Hi, Lindsay. Breaking up. Let's see if I can move over here. So it has to switch. Let's see if this makes it better. Maybe worse. I don't know. Hi, KitKat. Well, alrighty, folks. I think the connection is not that great, and we're gonna be putting them up anyway. Well, thank you everybody, and this stream will be posted on YouTube as well. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers there so that we can have. So if you don't mind, if you are not subscribed yet, just go ahead to our YouTube channel, just search for LeMitris. Thank you everybody for joining, and probably later. Okay, I will see you later. Bye bye.